Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today's another open house video of a colony patio villa here in the village of St. James. This is located a little bit north of Highway 466A. I hope you enjoy the tour. Thank you friends, welcome. This is a patio villa. It is a colony patio villa. It's going to be 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. You can see the driveway is painted. This is located in the village of St. James, which is a little bit north of Highway 466A, here in the Villages, Florida. As always, please contact the listing agent, Melissa, if you have any questions. This is a 1.5 car garage. You should be able to fit a car and a golf cart in that garage. It does have windows in the garage to help let in sunlight. Very nice. The painted concrete extends in the patio of this home. This seems to be an extra large patio area on this home. The nice feature of this home is that it looks like there's a retention pond behind it. There are no neighbors behind this home. Very nice location, very mature landscaping. You will notice in the front of the home you do have a lanai, a screened in lanai. Most of these lanais are 10 feet by 10 feet, but please check the spec sheet for the correct dimensions. I will video the specification sheet a little bit later on. This home is very nice, very neat and clean. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture here in the lanai. It does have a painted concrete floor. This home is in very, very good condition. Has a nice glass window in the front door. Let's go in and take a look. First thing I notice walking into the living room area is the very high cathedral ceilings and the neutral decorations. This is the living room area. It does have carpeting and it has a dining room area as well. Very neutrally painted home. Give you a panoramic view. This is a colony patio villa located here in the village of St. James. It is a wood framed home. Let's take a walk into the kitchen area. It does have vinyl flooring. Very nice cabinetry in this kitchen. The ceiling texture is knocked down. Very nice. Those cabinets are awesome. The countertops do look like they are Formica countertops. Let's spin around this kitchen area. Take a panoramic view of the living room area as well. This patio villa does have inside laundry. That is a welcome addition to any home, any patio villa. It is very warm today, and it does get warm in the garage, so doing laundry in the garage is not an optimal thing here in Florida. These ceilings are really high. This is a beautiful home. Let's take a walk out into the garage area. Here is the garage. It looks like the floors are painted or epoxied. Again, refer to the specification sheet or contact the listing agent if you have more questions or any questions about this home. It does have a sink you can wash up if you do work in the yard. Has a carrier HVAC system. It is a 1.5 car garage. You would put the car on this side and the golf cart on that side. Let's continue through the home. This home is very well kept. You can see the kitchen does have a double bowl sink. And it does have an electric range. Let's continue down the hallway. The carpeting does continue into the hallway and both bedrooms. Let's take a walk. That would be the main bathroom to the right. It does have the vinyl floors in the main bathroom. You will notice this home does have 6-panel doors. Has a single bowl sink, Formica countertops, very high ceilings with knockdown texture continue in this bathroom. Does have a tub with a plastic or fiberglass surround. Has a nice light fixture above the sink. Very nice, very beautiful. Here we have 2 bedrooms. The bedroom on the left is the master bedroom, and the bedroom on the right would be your guest bedroom. This is a guest bedroom. That does appear to be a queen size bed for your perspective. Does have adequate room, adequate closet storage space, very high vaulted ceilings in this room, very neutral color, very spacious, very wide open feeling in this home. Let's take a walk into the master bedroom where the carpet continues. It does have very high vaulted ceilings with knockdown texture. Just to give you perspective, that does appear to be a king-size bed with adequate room on either side. Again, I encourage you to contact a listing agent or refer to your specification sheet if you want more information on this home. Spinning around, looking back off into the kitchen area. This bedroom does have a master bathroom and a closet. There is your walk-in closet. Has carpeted floors, nice shelving units, very high ceilings, very spacious closet. Very neutrally decorated, this home. It looks like it's a 42-inch TV or maybe even 50-inch TV for perspective. The master bathroom does have the vinyl floors continuing, has a single bowl sink, very high ceilings again, knockdown texture. Very large shower. It looks like it's fiberglass shower. I believe that is a 48-inch shower with glass doors. Here's your shower module. There is your commode. Very high ceilings. Very nice home. Spinning around into the master bedroom area. This is your view out your master bedroom window. You can see the retention pond back there. So this home has privacy. Very nice. That is something you don't get very often in a patio villa neighborhood, is the privacy in the backyard with a retention pond in the back. I will now start exiting the home. I will video the specification sheet. I'll take another panoramic view of the living and dining areas. This is the specification sheet. Again, please contact Melissa. This home is listed at $299,900. It's located at 1982 Chesapeake Place. It is a colony patio villa. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I will flip the specification sheet over to show you the dimensions of the rooms. There are your dimensions of the rooms. And there is Melissa's card. I'll flip the card around. And that is Melissa's contact information. I will include her contact information in the description of the video. Very nice home. This has a lot of features for a patio villa. It has the high ceilings. It has the inside laundry. It has the 6-panel doors, and it has privacy in the backyard. So this home is hitting a home run for having a lot of the features for a patio villa. As I'm exiting the home, I'll go back out to the patio. As I exit the home, I will show you a panoramic view of the street. As always, please contact the listing agent, Melissa, if you have questions on this home. That is her contact information. This is the panoramic view of the street. This is in the village of St. James. Very quiet neighborhood. I will pan to the right. You'll see that is a dead-end street down there. That is facing east. That is your home right there. That is for sale. And this is a panoramic view of the street facing west. Thanks for joining, everybody. Take care. Thank you for joining today's open house tour here in the village of St. James. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom colony patio villa. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Take care.